To enable one-handed mode in OnePlus 13, first we need to open a settings on our device. Now when we scroll down, there will be an option for accessibility and convenience, and there's a one-handed mode right here. So if you try to enable it for the first time, you may get that pop-up, which means you need to change your entire navigation method on the phone to gestures, as it doesn't work with the buttons. So you can click on the settings right here and select the gestures from the list. Now if we go back, there's one-handed mode that you can activate, and what you need to do to call it out is to just slowly swipe. It's really hard actually. Yep. And now you'll be able to find notification bar somewhere in the middle of your screen, so you can access it with one hand.